Would you believe that April 12th holds a unique place in the annals of history? It's not just another date on the calendar, it's a day when the world shifted on its axis, not once, but several times. From the thunderous echoes of the Civil War's first shots to the silent expanse of the cosmos, April 12th has been a key player in shaping the narrative of our shared history. Intriguing? Absolutely. Coincidental? Perhaps not. Join us as we delve into the captivating events that occurred on this day. Our journey begins in the year 1861, in the heart of America. Picture a nation divided, tensions simmering, and the air heavy with the scent of impending conflict. It was on the 12th day of April in this year that the first shots of the American Civil War were fired at Fort Sumter, South Carolina, marking the beginning of a 4-year-long struggle that would forever alter the course of American history. The causes of the Civil War were complex and multifaceted, rooted deeply in the economic, political, and social fabric of the era. The primary catalyst, however, was the contentious issue of slavery. The southern states, relying heavily on a slave-based economy, felt threatened by the growing abolitionist sentiment in the North and the potential for a shift in political power. This division was not a sudden phenomenon, but rather the culmination of decades of mounting discord and disagreement. The Compromise of 1850, the Kansas-Nebraska Act, the Dred Scott decision, and John Brown's raid on Harper's Ferry, these were all but the prelude to the grand opera of war that was about to unfold. The war was not merely a fight between the North and the South. It was a struggle for the soul of a nation, a battle to define what kind of country America was going to be. Would it be a country where all men were truly created equal? Or would it be a nation divided, where liberty and justice were not rights, but privileges, granted only to a select few? The Civil War was a brutal and bloody conflict, claiming the lives of over 600,000 soldiers and civilians. Yet, in the crucible of this great struggle, a new America was forged, an America that would strive, however imperfectly, towards the ideals of freedom and equality for all. The start of the Civil War was not just a military event, but a turning point in the American narrative. It was a moment when America was forced to confront its own contradictions and to reckon with the cost of its compromises. And so, April 12, 1861, stands as one of the most significant dates in American history. A day that started a war, a day that changed America forever. Fast forward exactly a century to another groundbreaking event on April 12th. April 12, 1961. A day etched in the annals of human history. The world held its breath as a man dared to venture where no one had gone before. That man was Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet astronaut who would become the first human to journey into outer space. Gagarin's voyage was not merely a feat of human courage and technological prowess. It was a pivotal moment in the space race, a fierce competition between two superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union, vying for superiority in spaceflight capability. Gagarin's successful mission was a significant victory for the Soviets, who had now demonstrated their ability to send humans into space, a claim no other nation could make at that time. But this event was more than just a notch on the scoreboard in a global rivalry. It was a giant leap for mankind, pushing the boundaries of what we believed possible. It sparked a sense of curiosity, a longing to explore the cosmos, a dream that had captivated the human imagination for centuries. Gagarin's voyage changed the world's perception of space and our place within it. It made us realize that we were not just inhabitants of Earth, but citizens of a vast universe. His flight demonstrated that space was no longer an unreachable frontier, but a new realm ready for exploration. The impact of Gagarin's flight on space exploration cannot be overstated. It paved the way for a series of manned space missions, culminating in the historic Apollo moon landing 8 years later. It also led to advancements in science and technology, opening up new avenues of research and discovery. In the words of Yuri Gagarin himself, "Orbiting Earth in the spaceship, I saw how beautiful our planet is. People, let us preserve and increase this beauty, not destroy it." This sentiment, born from the first human spaceflight, continues to inspire efforts to understand and protect our planet, even as we reach for the stars. From the bloody battlefields of Earth to the vast reaches of space, April 12th continued to make its mark. But our journey doesn't end there. 20 years later, April 12th again made headlines, this time It was for a monumental event that would change the course of space exploration. On this day in 1981, the Space Shuttle Columbia roared into the sky, marking a new era in our cosmic journey. Columbia was no ordinary spacecraft. It was the first of NASA's space shuttles, a fleet designed to be the world's first reusable spacecraft. This was a bold and innovative step, a departure from the single-use rockets of the past. The space shuttles were designed to be like airliners, capable of numerous flights and regular maintenance between missions. Columbia's maiden voyage, officially known as STS-1, was a 2-day mission. Astronauts John W. Young and Robert L. Crippen piloted the shuttle, conducting various tests and experiments. But the mission wasn't just about the tasks they carried out in space. It was about proving the concept of a reusable spacecraft, and in that, they were successful. The launch of the Space Shuttle Columbia was a momentous occasion, not just for those involved in the mission, but for the world. It signified a bold new step in space exploration, promising a future where space travel could become more routine and accessible. It represented our unyielding curiosity and our determination to explore the unknown. The impact of Columbia's launch on the world was profound. It inspired a generation to dream of space, to envision a future where we could regularly travel to and from the cosmos. It reaffirmed our belief in science, technology, and the power of human ingenuity. Columbia and the space shuttles that followed became symbols of our aspiration to reach beyond our planet and explore the universe. From the first man in space to the first reusable spacecraft, April 12th again proved its significance. So, what makes April 12th so special? In our journey through time, we've uncovered the extraordinary significance of this seemingly ordinary day. We've revisited the echoes of the Civil War, a conflict that tore a nation apart only to sew it back together, stronger and more united. The opening shots fired at Fort Sumter on April 12, 1861, marked the beginning of a new era in American history, a time of tumultuous change and eventual reconciliation. We've soared into the cosmos with Yuri Gagarin, the first human to gaze upon our world from the vast expanse of space. His pioneering journey on April 12, 1961, not only broke the bonds of Earth's gravity, but also shattered the belief that the heavens were beyond our reach. We have also witnessed the awe-inspiring launch of the Space Shuttle Columbia, a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. On April 12, 1981, Columbia's maiden voyage marked a new chapter in space exploration, transforming our understanding of the universe and our place within it. These events, each significant in its own right, share more than just a date. They represent milestones of human courage, resilience, and innovation. They remind us of our potential to overcome adversity, to reach for the stars, and to continually redefine the boundaries of the possible. April 12th, a day that has repeatedly made history, a day that continues to inspire us all.